Now start assembling the chair. Apply adhesive to all the tenons and into the mortise evenly with a brush. Fit the parts one by one, starting with the back leg. Tap lightly with a mallet to set them into the mortise and wipe away excess glue with a damp cloth. Once done, clamp the back leg to the T-bar clamp to strengthen the joints while the glue dries up. Ensure they are properly aligned with the tri-square. Till then, drill some holes on the joints and insert dowel pins into them with some glue on it. Cut the extra dowel pins with a chisel. Once you have fitted these together, you will find that the back side of your chair is ready. Now start assembling the sides and the front of the chair. Apply adhesive to all the frame pieces and the bottom rails and fix them onto the back piece. Fix the front leg with the frame and place it on the back leg. Tap them lightly with a mallet to set in and wipe away excess glue with a damp cloth. Once done, clamp fix it to the T-bar clamp to strengthen while the glue dries up. Again, drill some holes on the joints and insert dowel pins into them to strengthen it further. Cut the extra dowel pin with a chisel. Once you have fitted these together, you will find that the frame of your chair is ready. When done, smoothen all the edges with a smoothing plane.